Okay.
Good evening again. Respected most venerable Mahasangha and Dhamma brothers and sisters again. Allow me to translate briefly what the Pramaha Kyatisa Kantisaro from Savanakhet, Laos. He just briefly talked about the Dhamma related to Mahaparinibbana Sutta and other Dhammas that we have to reflect or consider about together here. We start with the Pali proverbs or the Pali stanza. Ja se matta sukham thiro sampasam vipulam sukham. It means that the wise person or the wise man sacrifices himself for others, for the great benefits of others. Like comparing to us who come here together to recite the Tipitaka, it means that we sacrifice ourselves, we devoted our time together to sit on the Buddhist tree here, reciting the Tipitaka together. And he said that if we are not here, if we are at home or somewhere else, would be cheerfully, happily, but in other ways, not like meritoriously way. Anyhow, the way we do here is the way we sacrifice or devote ourselves in order to cultivate punya together. And of course, he re-emphasized the two kinds of worshipping, as most venerable Dr. Pramaha Sanong Siritaro mentioned before that, about the two kinds of puja. The first one is Amisambuddha puja, the second one is Patipati puja. He talked about the story of Thukata or Kosa Taki, the girl who was very poor in the time of the Buddha. Not really in the time of the Buddha, when the Buddha passed away. After the Buddha passed away for a few months, after the relics had been distributed already, and King Asangasattu brought the relics of the Buddha and built the stupa and keep the relics of the Buddha in Rasaka, in here, in Makatha. And then he announced for those who want to pay respect or worship the relics. There was one woman who was very poor. She would like to pay respect to worship the relics, and then she went to the stupa. But during the time when she traveled to that place, there was an accident. She was hit by the wild animal, the cow, and she got killed. And suddenly she was gone in heaven. That is what the benefits for Anisamsa invite, the benefits of worshipping the relics of the Buddha. Even she didn't reach that place, but she has strong conviction or sattha in Bali to worship the Buddha. Like that. That is the benefits of worshipping something. Like we regard that the relics of the Buddha is some kind of material things, not the Dhamma, because just the relic is not the Dhamma. That is the way of Amisa Puja. Okay? And another way he recommends, he mentioned about Jakupala Thela, the venerable who practice austerity. He practiced very strictly the meditation without sleeping at night. Without sleeping at night. We call in 30 kinds of Tudanka is Desasik Tudanka. Because Jakupala he practiced only three posture. Standing, walking, sitting without lying, without sleeping at night. And when he practiced and then finally his eye was blind and he could not see. Suddenly after his eye was blind, his kilesa also is mental or destroyed, and he became an arahant. That is the way or the example of practicing or sacrificing oneself. And according to the Buddha's teaching, we practice, we sacrifice ourselves, we devote it, or we cultivate some kind of punya in order to gain three kinds of treasure, like manusa, savaka, nibbana. Okay. Manusa is a human treasure, heavenly treasure, and nibbana. So that is the purpose of sacrificing or devoting ourselves. And another example, he mentioned about the 500 tips. The 500 tips who observe the 5 precepts. Before that, the tips kill other people. But when they observe the 5 precepts, they didn't kill anyone. But because of they kill other people already. Then the king found them observing the 5 precepts. The king thought that they just, pretend not to kill. The king thought that they just pretend not to kill anyone. And then the king execute them, kill them, person by person, until all of them got killed. After that, they were born in heaven. That is the story he just read about this. So the same essence come here to recite the Tipitaka together. Is the way we sacrifice ourselves, devote our time together in order to cultivate some kind of punya of great benefits together. So thank you very much.